Yes, hello. Thank you very much, Julia. And also thank you very much, Jan, for organizing this beautiful place for us. I'm today here to pitch Encevo CVC. By the way, Encevo is not Japanese, but there is a deeper meaning behind energy, C for Creos, and the last part for Enevos, which is our energy supplier in Luxembourg. So we love partnering with startups for the sustainable energy transition. And hopefully it will go further. The green one? Ah, the green one is good. Green is a good color in this context. Thank you very much to help me out. So, to be honest, we all have a deployment problem. The first phase of the energy transition was, so to say, simple. We just invested heavily into assets. The second phase will be much more challenging, in our opinion. We need to connect now all the assets, one another, and to the market. So the climate winners will not be the ones with the best story. The climate winners, the next climate winners, will be the ones who deploy infrastructure fastest. Encevo is already inside the game. You can read, I just want to go through very quickly. We are fully integrated. We employ more than 3,000 people in the greater region. Greater region from us, from the perspective of Luxembourg, is Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, and France. We manage 11,000 kilometers of power lines, 4,000 of gas pipelines, more than 340,000 electricity customers just in Luxembourg. And we have now 1 gigawatt installed capacity of renewables, even growing. And yeah, most important for today, 8 startups all across Europe we are invested in. So the grid maybe turn into a growth bottleneck regarding the energy transition if we don't care for modern technology support. Thinking back around about 20 years, the grid was really not glamorous. The grid was unsexy. And today we know better. Today we know that without a well-functioning grid, digitalized grid, energy transition at the end simply cannot happen. One platform, 4 roles for us as the Encevo group. So we create a platform connecting generation, grid, data, and customer solutions. And we have these 4 roles. We are a central producer, a trusted provider. We are a reliable operator of smart grid infrastructure. This is very important, I think, because we have 99% smart meter rollout in Luxembourg. And we established a national energy data platform. And what we are very proud of is Copper. This is a product of one of our startups named Data Things, and it is a digital twin of our national electricity grid in Luxembourg. So you can do very fancy things with this platform. Every asset is included, every metering value you have is included. You can do simulations, for example, very interesting for the future. And we are an enabler for collaboration, for example, technical services, and also integrated energy as a service. So we act and try not to only spray keywords. We highly invested the last years, and we will heavily invest in record level the next coming years. We did major progress in grid reinforcement and resilience. I think looking at nowadays times, this is very, very important. We do not just talk about the energy transition as a future scenario, let me say it like this. We finance it, we digitize it, and at the end, we deploy it. You can see our CVC portfolio to date, 7 startups, and our new partner, let me say, Vireo. We invested in the Vireo Electrification Fund. We are very happy with this because synergies for both sides are there. And you see a blank spot. So it's a pity that we can't announce something today, but we are working on 2 opportunities, and hopefully we will close in the coming weeks. So you will hear something from us, I think, in the next weeks. What we expect from Eco Summit, so this is all the time the question when we come here. Dear founders, bring us grid intelligence, bring us flexibility, bring us storage, bring us EV charging, and for us very interesting, industrial efficiency. Dear investors, co-invest with us, with a strategic operator that can validate and deploy. And dear corporates and all the others, use us as Encevo in the middle of the greater region as a cross-border scale-up lab. So my colleague Nicola and I will be around here today and tomorrow. We would be happy to connect with you. Thank you very much.